All right, Thursday's warm-up. Still talking about proportionality. The graph below shows the total distance in miles traveled by a towboat over time in hours. Which statement best describes the meaning of the coordinates of point F on the graph? So point F is 1, 5.25. That's 1 because X is there, Y is there. Since X, oh, you know what? I definitely cut off the bottom of that. Okay, that doesn't help. But Y is in miles, so I know it's 5.2 miles. Must be hours. And then 1 hour. Sorry about that. So it shows the unit graph in hours per mile. That would mean it would be X per Y, which is not right. It shows the unit rate in the graph in miles per hour. That is our answer. Whoa. Sorry. Let's just make sure the others don't make sense. It shows the time in hours it takes for the towboat to travel 1 mile. Nope, because 1 is an hour. And then it shows the distance traveled in miles by the towboat after 5.2 hours. 25 hours. Nope, because 5.25 is in miles. All right, Friday's warm-up. I can determine if proportional or non-proportional, if relationships are non-proportional or proportional. So explain whether or not the graph to the right is proportional. Remember the two things that a graph needs to be proportional. 1 needs to start at 0, 2 needs to be straight. This graph is straight, but it does not start at 0. So the answer would be no. The graph doesn't start at the origin or 0, 0. Okay, so please, after you go through this, make sure everything is filled in and you turn this in. This is like by far the least, or the work that I receive the least, and I think it's because I give to Monday and it's due Friday and I'm not there to say, turn it in. So make sure you turn this in. Please have a good weekend.